Bizagi, through the past 5 or 6 years of implementation, has really become our second most critical application at Stonecoast. As a fund administrator, obviously we have a core fund accounting, investor services, transformation agency type system. But in support of that, Bizagi really is critical to how we support our organization as well as our clients and investors.
The other thing is productivity. Now, in terms of productivity, it has eliminated a lot of non-value added activities, such as creating manual reports. Yeah. So, with your emails and then your process and then getting to understand, who has done what. You imagine putting like that, the 600 plus PFM, into an Excel. It is mind-boggling. And then chasing the different teams for statuses. Yeah. We are now moving more to value-added activities and actions to then prevent any of those processes from breaking down.
And the last thing is that we also integrated with our ERP system, SAP. Now, the technology itself, I'm not a technical guy, so I cannot say anything to you about this part. But the more thing I want to share with you is that it was an emotional breakthrough for our organization.
I think that there has been I would say a before and after, the API type of world, where actually those APIs and the communications across the different products, and of course products like Bizagi that can help orchestrate across different platforms, ensuring that there is a master data harmonization and a master data type of governance through the process as a data model. I think it's definitely key.
Today we have a vanilla ERP, and we have Bizagi providing the processes to implement the business requirements where they can't be met by COTS. And they seamlessly integrate together. And that in itself, as a logical entity, integrates into a wealth of legacy systems.
I mean, we probably manage about 330,000 cases a day. And as I said just now, 40,000 transactions on a database per second. So it's big, and it was very, very risky for us to do the upgrade. But now that we passed that, we're also looking saying, now can we leverage more of Bizagi to do more automation, reducing the need for robotics?